Hey everyone, I'm coming with a new recipe today. It's called lemon turmeric cake. It's really simple and it tastes really good. It's not that sweet. You can have it with tea, coffee, or as a snack. Let's get started with all the dry ingredients first. I'm adding 1 cup of all-purpose flour and half cup of whole wheat flour because I wanted to make it a little more healthier. Two teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 3/4 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. We're gonna put the dry ingredients to the side, and now I'm gonna take the zest of 2 lemons. I'm gonna take the juice from 1 lemon and cut the other lemon to slices for later. I'll take the zest from the 2 lemons and add 1 cup of sugar and rub them with my fingers. Now to this, let's add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice that we squeezed earlier. We're gonna melt 1 stick of butter in the microwave for 1 minute. In the meantime, I'm gonna add 2 eggs. Now mix the egg mixture really well and add it to the dry ingredients along with the melted butter. Lastly, we're gonna add 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt and mix everything. I already preheated the oven to 350 degrees. Now I'm greasing a baking pan and I'm gonna put a little bit of parchment paper so it's easier to remove the cake once it's done baking. I'm gonna tap the pan to take out the bubbles and also put in all the slices from that one lemon we saved. I'm gonna add a little bit of sugar to caramelize the lemon, and we're gonna bake this in the oven for 50 to 60 minutes. My cake was done after 60 minutes. Here you can see I cut out a slice. It looks really soft and moist inside. This cake always turns out really good and it tastes amazing. Not to mention your kitchen is gonna smell really nice from all the lemon zest. Please give it a try, like my video and subscribe to my channel. Bye.